Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up AT&T All-Fi Hub in 2026. So first of all, you will need your All-Fi Hub, the power cable and the internet cable. So here you need to first of all put the hub in a central open location and not inside the cabinets or behind the walls. This particular step is going to help you get better Wi-Fi coverage across your home. Now you need to connect your internet line. If you have fiber, you need to plug the fiber cable into the port. If you have an ONT connection, you need to use the Ethernet cable. So after that, you need to plug in the power cable and turn it on. Now wait for a few minutes, the lights will start blinking and then it will turn solid green when it is ready. So once the physical setup is done, you need to download the AT&T Smart Home application. So when you open it, you just have to simply select the option of scan the QR code on your hub. So here sign in with the help of your AT&T ID and the app is going to automatically guide you through the setup. So once that is done, you need to connect your phone or a laptop to Wi-Fi using the Wi-Fi name which will be available on your router on the sticker and the default password as well. Or you can also simply scan the QR code on the hub for instant connection. Once connected, the internet should activate automatically. So you can test it by opening a web browser or streaming any of the videos. If everything works, your setup is complete. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.